All right, guys, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and install and full review on this AC Dome dash cam. This is the 4K version. Been super excited for getting this one, so let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see. All right, so, oh, very nice. So this is the camera right here. Very, very nice. Let's see what we got right over here. Okay, looks like the other side of the camera and the power to it, as well as maybe like the items to keep it up there, as well as the manual props, the manual. Some protective films in here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it, but so far everything looking good. So let's go ahead and throw it on there. All right, guys, and that's what it looks like once it is fully installed. The setup was very, very easy with the wrap. Literally took, I don't know, less than 3 minutes to get it set up to your phone. So that way you can just, if you want to do like a live view, like I said, it looks really, really nice on there. It doesn't take up a whole lot of like the real estate on here. I'm sure there's probably a better way to get this ran through here, but I just wanted to see what it looked like. I probably will leave it like this for a little bit. It does come with a USB on here, so that way you can still be able to charge something, assuming you only have one of these outlets here. And then the other cool thing is I also hooked up the rear view as well. And that one looks just as good too. I'm going to show you what it looks like, but one thing that I did fail to mention is it actually comes with, I believe it's a 32 gigabyte microSD card, which most of them rarely ever come with, but this one already comes with it, so you're literally ready to go once you get it. It's one that I highly recommend, but let me just show you what it looks like once you're on the road. All right, guys, and here is the camera in action. I did speed it up for the sake of the video, but as you can see, the quality is really, really good. And right there, you can actually take photos along the way if you so choose to, and you could also switch what view you're watching live if you also like to see like what's going on in the back of the vehicle. Like I said, look at this camera. Really, really nice picture quality on both of them. Definitely one that I recommend. 10 out of 10.